I'm Lizzie Seaton, I'm the Head of Marketing Communications at Celotex, and today we're at EcoBuild, one of the largest construction shows that's around at the moment and also that we exhibit each year. So we've been here for the last 5 years and this show is our biggest and boldest stand to date. EI for us has been a relationship. We've worked with them since they've begun as a business. We've loved to see them grow and what they've presented to us in terms of augmented reality, virtual reality, the touchscreen technology. So everything that you see here that is digital is from EI. So they've shown us what the sort of possibilities there are within shows and actually allowed us to produce an exhibition show that is not just the norm, it's everything else that goes into it, and it includes the data capture as well, which is really important for us of a measurement for a show. The technology in itself is such a drawing point for people to come to our stand. You see the people on the virtual reality stand and you just see that it encourages others to come in there, having a look down, seeing that they can fall through. There's something new and different, but also it's showcasing indirectly our new product innovation as well that we're showcasing at the stand. The touch to reveal box has been a real big success for us today. It's been a real talking point. So having a look and seeing what new innovation that we've got, and the touchscreen, the game, that's always a big favourite for people. So all of the stuff that we've got allows people to learn about Celotex, to understand what Celotex do. We're not just insulation, we're more than that as well. EI as a group, that what they're doing is amazing, but the people that we're working with as well are incredible. The things that they can do are insane. They're always challenging new ways of doing things, and that's what we like as a brand, and that's why I would recommend them to anybody.